If your primary focus with anti-aging is your eyes, perhaps you have crow's feet, dark circles, maybe you're losing too much collagen too quickly, you may just love this incredible red light therapy device I was just gifted from INIA. This is an eye red light therapy mask, and unlike a standard red light therapy mask, this actually has 3 times the LEDs focused on your eye area. So it's really focused on giving you all those red light therapy benefits to your eyes. And on top of that, it actually comes with this pack that you can cool. And this is such a wonderful way to work on dark circles and bags and soothe your under eye area as you use this powerful red light therapy device. Now, I've tested quite a few devices from INIA and I have loved all of them. And I think the idea of having one that's focused just on your eyes is such a treat and such a great way to really get after those crow's feet and everything that can happen as we age around our eyes. And this is also the most comfortable face mask I have ever worn. I think it has a lot to do with the cooling part of it because it just cushions my nose wonderfully and it just feels so nice and soft on. It really does focus right around the eyes, under the eyes, and up along the sides, and just a little bit on the top. Specifically, your 11s are getting some focus as well. Very concentrated focus. And while I'll turn it on in just a moment to show you exactly what you get, what I think is most incredible about INIA is they actually tell you how much wattage per square centimeter you're getting here. And that is 105 milliwatts per square centimeter in 96 LEDs. Most devices don't even have a fraction of that. So that's what I'm talking about with really getting focus, really getting a clinical grade product that comes from a brand that is focused solely on incredible red light therapy devices. And now I want to get into the modes to control the device. It has this magnetic battery. I really like this as it's very easy to charge this out of the way and then just attach it when you need to. And it does come with a USB-C to USB-A cord as it is a USB-C standard port. And the one thing I do want to point out with this is that it does have one special trick, and that's when it is not connected to the device, you can choose whether or not to turn off the 850 nanometer near infrared light. Now, I personally would always keep that on, but if for any reason you don't want that on, all you want to do is tap it while it's not on and see what the color of the light is. Blue means it's on and green means it's off. So I'm going to tap so it's blue, and that means that by default it will always be blue when I attach it to the device. The only time you can change the near infrared light is when it's not connected, because once you attach it to the device, it's going to automatically turn on, and it always starts in the high intensity mode. This is definitely the mode that I would work towards and use as soon as you feel comfortable using it. But if you're not ready to, you can tap it one more time and it will go into a more low intensity mode. So definitely a way to ease into red light therapy. Now, how often you use this is really going to be up to you, but I'm going to tell you right now that you are not going to see benefits if you don't use this on a consistent basis. INIA recommends using it every 2 to 3 days for 5 to 10 minutes for your first week, and then work up to using it every 1 to 2 days for 10 to 20 minutes. And what's really nice is you really can wear this and just go about your day. And while I think this as a standalone product is amazing, and if you're really focused on just your eyes, this would be the product I'd recommend. Another way you can use this if you also want red light therapy on the rest of your face is to get a full red light therapy mask and switch daily between this and that full mask. So you're getting the full red light therapy, and then you're getting the focused red light therapy on your eyes, really getting the benefits of both in different ways. I cannot recommend all the products from INIA enough, and I really love this red light therapy eye mask. I think you're going to as well.